All right, so here we now need to take the problem from part A where we just found out the pH of a molarity. Now we need of a strong acid. Now we need to go further and we're going to dilute that solution from A and then use that information to find the new pH of the diluted solution. So we had 0.198 grams of sulfuric acid. And what we did before is we converted our grams to our moles and got 0.00202 molar H2SO4. And we know again, sulfuric acid, strong acid. If it tells you it's a weak acid or a weak base, you cannot do this, but you can do this for any strong acids and strong bases. And there's a list in the notes of what things are considered strong acids and strong bases. So we have this molarity, but we diluted it. So we need to use our dilution formula first. M1V1 equals M2V2. All right, so what do we have? This is M1, okay? And we knew it was in a 1 liter of a solution. So 1 liter is equal to my V1. When 250 milliliters was added, so that's not our V2, that's our add. So our V2 is equal to 1 liter plus 250 milliliters, or 1.25 liters. And so we're going to solve for the new molarity. Okay, so molarity 1, 0.00202, volume 1 in liters. Molarity 2 we're solving for. Volume 2 again in liters. Remember, the volumes have to match units. So 0.00202 divided by 1.25, and that is going to give me 0.00162 is my new molarity. And now that we have that new molarity, then we can put it in pH, because remember the pH is negative log of the hydronium ion concentration. Now here we have the sulfuric acid concentration. Strong acid means that this number and this number are identical. So I have my number still in my calculator. I'm going to hit my log button, second answer, and my parentheses, negative 2.79. And remember, we always flip the sign. So 2.79 is going to be my new pH. So what happened when we diluted? We had an old pH of 2.69. And now we have a pH of 2.79, old, and this is after diluted. And a lot of people go, but wait, the pH got more. Right, that's what we wanted, remember? 0 to 7 to 14, acid. We wanted the solution to get, when we diluted it, it get closer to being a base. That's why the number went up.